All right, let's see what happens here. Stay to the, oh, okay. Go right, go right. Oh, we're going left. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, here it is. Hang on. Oh, fuck. Are we survived?
Yep.
Oh my God. We got like a foot of water in here. We got to get through this first. Straight ahead, yep. Here's one. I know, well, got to get it, keep it straight. All right, let's go. Paddle straight ahead. Let's go up a little ways. Yeah, we got 6 inches. Getting wobbly. How about that sandbar up there? I hope we didn't do any damage. Well, it was just pure rock.